We're not jerks, we don't curse. Salutations, Grime Nation, and welcome back to GRIMELANDIA. Grime is finally here in his ancestral home and back doing ultra-professional videos on this channel. I know you're excited, Grime Nation, because all they had to do was let me in. And here I am, Grime Nation, the pro who runs the show, the most polarizing and professional man in YouTube entertainment today. And today, a very special action figure video for you out there in the Grime Nation. That's right. We're going to show you how to properly and professionally make your very own videos here on this platform. Now then, how do matches begin, Grime Nation? How do you make professional wrestling matches? The first thing you do, Grime Nation, the very first thing in any good match will be the collar and elbow tie-up. That's right, sweet sassy molassie, you can't beat a classic. Because a classic is always the best. So here you go. You have them tied up, and they're wrestling, and they're having a tussle. They're having a professional wrestling match. Back and forth, back and forth. And then, if you want to get fancy, Grime Nation, if you get fancy, you can do the test of strength. The all-time classic test of strength between two superstars on the wrestling match. It is phenomenal. You should try it for yourself. It is amazing. And then, and only then, can you begin doing, things like a hip toss, an abdominal stretch, the basic core tenets of wrestling. The drop kick. If you want to get fancy, you can do a push perfect drop kick. And then you can do awesome moves and awesome matches here on the YouTube. So stay tuned, Grime Nation. There are plenty more awesome matches and awesome moves happening on this channel in GRIMELANDIA. Look at all this. Look at all this, Grime Nation. Look at all this. All for Grime. All for Grime, for top quality, PG, family-friendly content on this channel, on this show, with superstars such as Jason Jordan, superstars like Roman Reigns, superstars like, what? Think about it. What the f*** is going on over there? No. Grime out, it has been nailed.